Good morning, grade 8. Let's go for new topic, topic 13, Congruence of Triangles. Now, when we say about congruence, let us define what do you mean by to be congruent. So, the figures which exactly coincide with each other are called as congruent figures. What do you mean by exactly coinciding? See, for example, this is my hand and this is exactly coinciding with this. Alright, so I can say that these two are congruent to each other. Okay, same is the case with these two triangles. If you look, if I pick up this triangle and put it over here, then these two will exactly fit on each other like I have over here. Just see, these are two triangles which I have. See, this is one triangle and this is another triangle. If I pick one and put it over here, they exactly coincide with each other. Can you see? See, they are exactly coinciding with each other. This is to say that these two triangles are congruent. That means each angle is equal and lengths of all the sides are also equal. This is to say that these two triangles are congruent to each other. So, if I take these two triangles ABC and PQR, then angle A is 30, here angle P is also 30. So if I just pick it up and put it over here, A will exactly coincide with P, provided lengths are also same. See, now angle B is 90, Q is 90, C is 60, R is 60. AB length is 4 cm, PQ length is 4 cm. AC is 5 cm, PR is 5 cm. BC is 3, QR is 3. So if I pick this triangle and put it on this triangle, they will exactly coincide with each other. That is to say that these two triangles are congruent. Now, one more thing I would like to say, see students, if I have these two triangles, but if I am putting like this, see, they are not coinciding. Or if I put like this, then also they are not coinciding. That means what? If I put this triangle in the form as this, that means this angle should match with this one. Okay, A will match with P. Angle A will match with P. So if I write here A, it is matching with angle P. Angle B is matching with angle Q. B is matching with angle Q. And C is matching with angle R. Okay, the way in which the vertices are matching is called as one-to-one correspondence. So A is in one-to-one correspondence with P, C is in one-to-one correspondence with R, B is in one-to-one correspondence with Q. And therefore, the way in which you write is triangle ABC is having one-to-one correspondence with triangle. A will go with P, so first is A, so first will be P. If B is going with Q, second is B, so here I will be writing it Q. C will go with R, over here third is C, so here third will be R. So ABC is having one-to-one correspondence with PQR triangle. It means A corresponds with P, B with Q and C with R. Now, whenever two triangles are congruent, there are 6 congruences. Which are those 6 congruences? It means, or it is related to 3 angles and 3 sides. Now see, angle A, if we have ABC triangle is congruent to triangle PQR, then angle A is congruent. You know this is congruent sign. A is congruent to angle P. This is first congruence. Second, angle B is congruent to angle Q. Then third, angle C is congruent to angle R. Now fourth is related to side, remaining 3. Segment AB is congruent to segment PQ. Segment BC, this is fifth one. Segment BC is congruent to segment QR, 3 and 3. And sixth one is segment AC is congruent to segment PR. So these are 6 congruences if two triangles are congruent. I hope the concept of being congruent is clear. You should be drawing this diagram and writing these 6 congruences, provided we have triangle ABC if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, then you have these 6 congruences. Is this clear? Okay, now let's go for the tests of congruences. Now let's see few tests of congruence. First is Aas test. S stands for side, A stands for angle. So side, angle, side. This angle is included between these two sides. So if we consider triangle XYZ and LMN, then two sides which are congruent. XY is congruent to LM and XZ is congruent to LN. And what I have shown here, they are called as congruent marks. Same marks means these two sides are equal. Same marks means these two sides are equal. These two sides together they form arms of one angle, and that is X. So angle is in between, S, A, S. So how can we say? When two sides and one included angle of one triangle is correspondingly equal to two sides and included angle of another triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent by Aas test. I want you to write this test, draw this diagram, write that triangle XYZ is congruent to triangle LMN by Aas test, and write the definition which I have just now told it to you. It is given on page number 86 of your textbook. So if you go on to page 86, all the tests are given. Okay, proper definition has been given. I am just explaining you. So one by one you take down all. Their diagrams are not given. You can take down these diagrams. First write this and then write the test. Let's go for second, SSS test. Very easy. All three sides of triangle are correspondingly equal to all other three sides of triangle. Now see the way of writing. One-to-one correspondence should match. If I am writing ABC, AB, C mark. AB should go with PQ. So here also I have written first as PQ. Are you understanding me? Please see that you maintain one-to-one correspondence as we have seen earlier. Okay. So when three sides are all equal with the other three sides of the triangle, two are congruent. Now ASA. Now here side is in between. So two angles and included side. See these two angles I have shown by same marks. And these two angles have common arm, that is one side of a triangle. So side should come in between the two angles. That is to say that included side. So two angles and included side of one triangle is correspondingly equal to two angles and included side of the other triangle. Then two triangles are said to be congruent by ASA test. Now this test is little special. Why you see? AAS, or it is also called as SAA. Here side or angle is not included in between two. We have two angles and adjacent side. See these two angles and adjacent means which is coming next to it, besides it. So these two angles, this is included side, this is not considered. This side is considered which is adjacent to one of the angles. Now why this is similar to this, I will just tell you. For example, two angles are already congruent. Alright, so for example, if this angle is of 40 degrees and this angle is of 60 degrees, then accordingly this will be of 40 and this will be of 60. How much is 60 plus 40? 100. So this will be 80 and here also it will be 80. So automatically three angles are becoming equal. So as it is 60 and 80 over here, 60 and 80 over here, and this becomes the included side again. Are you understanding me? So this can match with this indirectly. But if this is not given, it is understood third angle automatically becomes equal by angle sum property of a triangle. Alright. And therefore please remember AAS test is also there, where two angles and adjacent side of one triangle is correspondingly equal to two angles and adjacent side of another triangle. Now hypotenuse side test. This goes only when the triangles are right. Okay, it comes only with right angle triangle. Hypotenuse is only side opposite to 90 degree. Now, if you consider these two right angle triangles, then one hypotenuse and one side. So, when hypotenuse and side of a right angle triangle is correspondingly equal to hypotenuse and the side of another triangle, that is right angle triangle, then two triangles are said to be congruent by hypotenuse side test. I hope all the 5 tests are clear. What is your job? Draw this diagram, give the heading, write this, and then write the definition from your textbook, which is given on page 86. Alright? I'll write here page 86. All the tests are given. Okay? So let's take one problem. Now look at this problem 13.1 first. We have to tell these two triangles are congruent by which test, and you have to state the correspondence. See now, one side, another side. So one side of both triangles are equal, and can you see WZ is common? So this side, this angle and this side. So SA and S. So test is SAS test. And what is correspondence? See, W will go with W, X will go with Y, so X and Y, Z will go with Z. Or you can write XW first. See, XW, this side will go with YW over here, YW. And only one is remaining, that is Z. So XWZ and YWZ, YWZ. This way also you can write the correspondence. It is up to you how you write the correspondence. So you can take Z first also and write it. So that is the way you have to decide what is the test and what is the correspondence. Try to do the remaining problems. Till then, let us see in remaining problems in the next video. So that's all from my side for today, students. Thank you.